Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a morning routine featuring Suave Natural Hair Collection. This is a new collection. So obviously we're going to start off by brushing our teeth. I'm using Colgate whitening toothpaste. I believe that's what it is. And then I also go in with a second toothpaste. It's actually a fluoride toothpaste, so I can protect my teeth from cavities. So Colgate, if you ever want to sponsor me, reach out to your girl. So I don't know if you're like me, but I honestly hate watching people brush their teeth. I just find it so disgusting. So I honestly know how you feel if you are like me. But we're just going in with the second toothpaste, the fluoride toothpaste. And this is going to be super quick, y'all. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and we're done. So I just rinsed my hair. But the first product that we're going in with is the Suave Sulfate-free Cleansing Shampoo. This is a super thin shampoo. So compared to the Can 2 shampoo, it's a lot more thin. I like a thick shampoo, but I honestly didn't mind this shampoo, but I did have to go in with a lot. So if you have thick hair, I would recommend you go in with as much as possible. And honestly, these products smell so freaking good. So my hair was super dirty this day. As you can see, I'm building up the lather for the shampoo. Like I said, I had to go in with a lot because I do have thick hair. And I didn't comb out my hair, and you'll see why I didn't comb out my hair in just a few. So the next product that I'm going in with is the Moisturizing Curl Conditioner. This is also a thin conditioner, and I didn't really care for the pump on this conditioner because not a lot came out, but it got the job done for softening my curly hair. So I just started off with a little bit of the conditioner. In my mind, this is a little bit. Probably y'all are thinking like that's a lot, but I did have to go in with more. Like I said, I didn't comb my hair because there is a product that Suave sent me that handles detangling hair. So I was just working with my nappy hair. But like I said, it got the job done. It made my curls super soft, so I wasn't mad at it. So the next product that we're going in with is the Cream Detangling Spray. This was interesting to me because I thought it was going to be like a liquid spray. And it is liquid, but it's more so on the creamy side, which I love. This stuff works wonders if you need to detangle your hair. I love this stuff. It detangled my hair very, very well for me to not have combed out my hair prior to shampooing. And you'll see in the further clips how my hair literally comes through like butter. And y'all know the brush that I'm using to detangle my hair is the Faux Denman brush by Goodies. I explained this brush in my previous natural hair routine, so definitely go check that out. I'll leave it in the little eye, but I love this brush. As you can see, it defines my curls, and I have no problem. So y'all already know I hate washing my hair this way. Y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm getting the hair out of, y'all already know. So the next product that we're going in with is the Nourish Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. I like this product. It reminds me of the Can 2 leave-in conditioner. It smells amazing. All of these products smell amazing. This made my hair super soft, and it's a leave-in, so I didn't really have to do much. So this is the Curl Defining Cream, and with any other defining cream that I use, I look out for how hydrated it's going to make my hair and the thickness of the product. Like I said, I have thick hair, so I like to use thick products. And I believe this was more on the thinner side from what I typically work with. But honestly, like, it defined my curls so well. I had no problems with this product. So hands down, this product right here is my favorite product, the Define and Shine. Now I recommend that you read the instructions for each of these products. I use this on my wet hair, and it definitely says use it on damp to dry hair, and you'll see why because I'm about to explain it. So I use this on my wet hair, which I thought, you know, would lock in the product, but I noticed that as my hair was drying, because I let my hair air dry, my curls were so frizzy, and I literally was like, this natural hair care line did not work for my hair. But it was because I did not use this product on my dry, damp hair. Once my hair was half or 90% dry and I put this product on there, oh honey, I shut up after that because it defined my curls. My curls were no longer frizzy and I had no complaints. So these are my curls fully dry. They are not crunchy. Honestly, I have less frizzing, but typically I get frizzing in the middle of my head. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.